Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. This is going to be my first fall look, and this was inspired by the beautiful burgundy and golden colored leaves during the fall. So I'm already done prepping my face, so let's get started. First, I will be applying Paint Pot as our eyelid primer to make our eyeshadow last, of course, the entire day. To start off, I will be applying a gel eyeliner all over my lids, and this will serve as our base for the eyeshadow so that it will look more vivid. So I'm just using here my fingers to blend the gel eyeliner, and I'm making sure that I blend not passing my crease area. And for this look, I will be using my Kose Scents Reveal 2 palette, and to start off, we will be using this deep burgundy colored shadow, and we will just be patting it onto the areas where we apply our gel eyeliner, and we just only use patting motion to really pack on that color. Next, I will be taking that a little lighter burgundy shade, and I will use that to blend the edges of that shadow. So now I'm just really taking my time in blending those edges, and I'm making sure that everything is really well blended and having a very good transition. So yeah, take your time in blending, don't rush, because that's what's really important in eye makeup, is to blend the colors really well. So I'm taking another lighter color shade to even blend the further or the outer edges of my eyes. So after I'm satisfied with all the blendings, I then take this liquid eyeliner and I will be doing a very dramatic wing eyeliner. Yeah, I always do that. I love wing eyeliners. They just make my eyes look more elongated and just dramatic actually. Just simply I love wing eyeliner. So now I will be just quickly tight lining my upper waterline and do a little pumps on my lashes. Then I will just be adding one coat of this mascara onto my lashes. So now I will just be applying some falsies to complete our look. I will just be quickly wiping all these eyeshadow fallouts on my face, and I will be back with my under eye concealer, since I've already applied foundation off camera just to save time, and I'm using here a sponge just to blend that concealer and to highlight a little my under eye. And now I will just be quickly doing my brows, and if you want to see a video on how I fill in my brows, and in-depth video on how I fill in my brows, I will have the link on the description box. Be setting my face using this Johnson's Baby Powder. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm using Johnson's Baby Powder, and yeah, it really does get the work done. And if you just apply a tiny amount, it will not make your face really white, but it really sets my foundation like the same with the other finishing powder actually. And I've been using this powder like almost a month now, setting my face, and I really do like it. And since also I have a very pale skin at the moment, so yeah, it's perfect for me. But yeah, it's cheap and it works, why not? And now I am what I'm doing right now, I'm applying blush, and I also applied a little bronzer into my face and give my nose a little contour. And now I'm doing a little highlighting onto the high points of my cheeks, my chin, and cupid's bow, and also on my nose area. Yeah, just to highlight there, just to make it look a little taller. And then I'm finishing the eyes with a brown pencil eyeliner. Just I'm applying this onto the outer lower lash line just to make the eyes look more elongated and bigger. So I'm setting that pencil eyeliner with that cranberry colored eyeshadow, and then I'm applying this gold eyeshadow from the Naked palette to brighten up my inner corner, and then I will apply a brow bone highlight and also cleaning the edges of my eyeshadow as well. To complete the look, I will just be applying this lip concealer onto my lips just to even out a little and patting a little powder just to make also the lip liner to glide a little better. And yeah, I'm just lining my lips naturally. I'm not overdrawing my lips because I'm not into that, and applying this nudie lipstick just to go together with the eyes, since our eyes is already very dramatic, just to balance everything out. So yeah, this is the complete look, you guys. I really love it. It's very fallish and so appropriate for the autumn. So yeah, I hope you liked this one, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I'll see you next time, guys, and thanks for watching again, and love you. Peace.